Well, hello again. We're now in Delft. So we did our shopping earlier this morning in Rotterdam in the market square, and we've now caught the train out to Delft and exploring this beautiful little town here in the Netherlands. Only 12 minutes on the train from Rotterdam Centrum. Cloudy, sometimes the sun's coming out. We had a bit of a slight shower before, but it's okay. Here comes Brett and Jane. Daily life in Delft, everyone on their bikes. Some Dutch fare. So the boat tours are operating in because it's summertime. They weren't operating when we were here in February, but they are available again now. Coming into the square area. There's the big church. Nice jewelry shop here. A big tour group coming through here now. Wonder where these people are from. It's coming up to the market area. And the beautiful flowers here. The roses, the sunflowers. Beautiful flowers here. Oh, look at the lovely roses. Pretty cheap. Only if you could have smell-o-vision would you be able to smell how fresh the stroop waffles are. Here, it's just wafting. So lovely. We've got all the different breads here too. Nice fresh market. Here's a shop for your pets. More flowers. Asparagus. Coming up to our favourite rib store, the Ribs Factory. We'll be coming out here for dinner one night because this is the best ribs in the world. Well, maybe not, but it's really good. Doesn't look much, but the ribs are sensational. And it's just in the square area here. See, when we were here last time, this tree up here was just no leaves.
Oh, look at it, it's beautiful.
Yeah. And we sat here and had wine. See all the bikes parked here. People shopping in the market. Come down on their bikes. Oh, a lot of rubbish over there.
Tempting.
With the back of the Delft shop.
Yeah.
That's another one, isn't it?
Some ducks down here in the water.
Modern sculpture.
Okay. Look at this sign. Hope your day is as nice as my butt. Let's slip through here. Second-hand plates and stuff. And back into the square. Go in and have a look at this church, maybe. another big church over there too. And you've got the Delft city shuttles. So we want to get a taxi back to the train station, the Delft city shuttles.